Welcome back, guys. In today's video we have a nasty one for you. Look at that nastiness. Before I could do anything, I had to clean this toilet up and down. I could not work with a toilet like that. Here I am unclogging it. It needed unclogged, and it needed the flush valve, the fill valve, and the handle replaced. Later on you will see that I'm replacing the flush valve, the fill valve, and the handle. Here I am with my go-to pliers, the Knipex. These pliers are a beast. They're one of my go-tos. Here I am. I'm taking this out, and I'm showing you right here on this red part, the gasket is worn, and it is worn so bad that it is allowing water to constantly leak into the bowl, which it will not stop the water flow. The water is constantly running. Okay, and you see that 3-bolt pattern right there? Those are the bolts that connect the tank to the bowl. Do not over tighten those, because if you over tighten them, you can get hairline cracks on porcelain that are very, very hard to see. When tightening these down, you see I have my hand on the inside and I'm holding the piece. That way, once you get so far into tightening it, it will actually start to move the piece. And I'm putting a flapper in this one. So the flapper, I was tightening it and I didn't hold it on the inside. It actually moved where I couldn't get that first bolt in there. So I had to move it back so I could get the bolt in to attach the tank to the bowl. See, that's what I'm talking about right there. If you look right there, you can't see that third one. The third one's messed up, and I had to redo the pattern because I tightened it and it moved. I'm showing you the bolt right there. This is what I'm talking about. I couldn't get to it. I had to remove it, readjust it. So my phone stopped recording, and I did not want to touch my phone again because of how nasty everything was. But if you look, the flapper is in, the fill valve is in, and the handle, the new handle is in, tied to the chain, and it is working. The toilet is flushing and is operating correctly. There's no leaks. There's no leak in the supply line. There's no leak in the bolts that hold the tank to the bowl. Everything is good to go. It is unclogged. So we're all good. The toilet is in good operating condition. I just want to tell you guys thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe. Please comment. Please like. Have a great day.